thousands line up to get tested, New York State announcing a one-day record. 44,431 people positive for COVID-19. The record keeps getting shattered as the winter surge takes its toll on New York. And while Omicron appears to be more mild, 69 New Yorkers died on Thursday.
Our hearts go out to their family members just on the verge of this beautiful holiday. And to know that there'll be an empty seat at the table has to be incredibly painful for them.
Governor Kathy Hochul, in a Christmas Eve message to New Yorkers, also announcing the state's critical workers can return to work 5 days after a positive COVID test, but only
if they are fully vaccinated, again, fully vaccinated, and are asymptomatic, or their symptoms have been resolving and they have no fever for the last 72 hours.
A mask is required. At a rapid COVID test handout in Mount Vernon today, the mayor supporting the governor's new guidelines.
She's only asking for frontline workers to come back to work if they're not symptomatic. If you're not symptomatic, then you're not spreading it after that 5-day period. And if you're vaccinated. And so as the science evolves, we have more information to help inform our decision.
This comes following a CDC announcement late Thursday, which pertained only to healthcare workers, some who may not be vaccinated in other areas of the country. The Centers for Disease Control says asymptomatic COVID-19 positive healthcare workers can return to work after 7 days with a negative test. Isolation time can be shorter if there are staffing shortages. Vaccinated and boosted healthcare workers do not need to quarantine following high-risk exposures. The New York State Nurses Association is condemning this new emergency guidance, calling it potentially dangerous, saying the CDC changed these guidelines without requiring all healthcare workers be supplied with N95s, home testing kits, or requiring portable HEPA filtration in areas like break rooms, measures that would protect healthcare workers and their patients. Officials say the goal is to keep hospitals and vital services running as COVID sidelines tens of thousands of New Yorkers every day. Allison Caden, Pix 11 News.